Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Lightning Exchange on your PC. For that, first of all, you need to launch your web browser and search for lightcd.com. Once you are on this page, by default you will be shown the sign up option, but since you want to withdraw money from your account, I'm assuming that you already have an account here, so you need to scroll down a bit and click on the login option. Over here, you need to provide your login credentials. That includes providing your phone number and your password. And before hitting the login option, I would recommend you to check this box of remember account and password so that you don't need to provide the same thing over and over again. Then click on the login option. So as soon as you click on the login option, you will be in your account, where on the home page itself you will see the withdraw option. So you can either click on withdraw over here, or you can click on the three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Here you will see the assets that you hold and the overall balance that you have in your account. So here also you will see the withdraw option. So whichever method you choose, you just have to click on the withdraw option. Then it will prompt you to add the wallet address, and before adding the wallet address, it will ask you to set up a withdrawal password. So you need to just provide that, and you need to add a wallet address. So simply click on the set now option, then you will be landed on this page. So you can either withdraw in the form of USDT or USDC, and that too on the Polygon network. So let's say you want to withdraw USDT on the Polygon network. Over here you will have to provide the wallet address, which you can find from your exchange or the wallet in which you are basically withdrawing the money. You need to paste the wallet address over here and click on the submit option. On the next page, you need to enter the amount that you want to withdraw and follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully withdraw your amount from Lightning Exchange to your favorite wallets or exchange. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.